Hi, my name's Lena. I'm a 23-year-old who has suffered with endometriosis now for around about 8 to 10 years. I was first diagnosed with endometriosis when I was only 15 years old. For the past 8 years I've been under a specialist who has been absolutely fantastic, and I can honestly say I don't think I would be here today if it wasn't for the support that he's given to both myself and to my family. In the space of 2 weeks, I was given 2 operations. My stitches hadn't even healed from my first operation. I've been unable to participate in representative sports teams that I feel I worked so hard for and had it all taken away from me because I was in too much pain. I've lost a job through the amount of time that I've had off. I've had my hours cut because I was deemed to be unreliable. If you can imagine that I am actually probably one of the fortunate ones where I have health insurance that covers me up to 80% of my medical bills. With going private, I could be waiting for weeks, for months, or even a year, as some cases are, to receive the treatment that I need to help me with my endometriosis. When I was only 11 years old, I first got my period. Since then, I could have my period for 2, 3, 4, even 5 weeks at a time. If you can imagine just how much money each operation has cost me, even though I do have health insurance, I would be looking at around about $3,500 to $4,000 that I will still be left to pay. Ask yourselves how a 16-year-old is supposed to get the kind of treatment that she needs when she's still at school. And thankfully, her parents have come through and really helped her out. There is no way that I could afford the kind of treatment and operations and procedures and specialist care that I need without the help of my parents. There are some out there that aren't as lucky as what I am to have the support that my family and my friends have given me. But if you can imagine that at that age, when you're unable to participate in sports activities, when that is all that I lived for, that's what I went to school for, it's what I strived for, and it's what I achieved highest in. My sport was my life, and my endometriosis has ruined my life. I'm a 23-year-old that is unable to go out and enjoy herself because I don't know if I'm going to lie on the ground in agony and unable to know what I'm supposed to do. You can imagine your father, your mother coming home and finding their 15-year-old daughter lying on the ground, unable to tell you what is wrong, and then to go to hospital, be given morphine and sent home. Within hours you're back up there because you don't know what is wrong and you're in crippling pain. Every time I go to the hospital, they tell me it's an appendicitis or a suspected appendicitis. They send me through for a scan, which I can't stand because of the pain that I'm in. Please help in any way that you can to get at least some recognition for what this cruel, cruel disease does.